Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Harshal and this is Data Structure and Algorithm Lab experiment number 9, implementation of selection sort and insertion sort. Here in this experiment we are going to sorting algorithm by using selection sort and insertion sort. So the selection sort is basically an array which is repeatedly finding the minimum element from an unsorted list. So here what the selection sort will do, here is the array of the elements. This the largest element will be the pointer of the first, and it will compare the smallest element in the given in the list. If here are the numbers given 7, 5, 4, and 2. If 7 2 is less than 7, then this 2 will swap by 7 and 7 will be go here. Afterwards the pointer will shift to the 5. So 5 will check all the elements from the pointer, then 5 will check the 4 is less than 5, then it will swap the elements and the pointer will be shift and again it will check. So here is the selection sort as the given above. So I am showing here the program. So here is the program of selection sort. Here is I have taken one global variable, that is n, and in the main I have taken an array of 10. Here I have taken a function of selection sort. Here it will ask us to enter the number of array. So how much we have to insert the elements we can insert here. Afterwards it will ask us to enter the number from the user. Afterwards in for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, it will increment till the nth position of an array, and it will go out afterwards in the selection sort function. Here I have taken int I, j, minimum and temporary variable. Afterwards in for loop here it will check I is equal to 0, I is less than n minus 2, and I plus plus. What it will do, it will go to the nth element of the list, and afterwards it will sort the given numbers in that. Inside the for loop j is equal to I plus 1, j less than j is less than equal to n minus 1, and j plus plus. Here it what will do, a of j is the array current position which is pointing, that is less than a of minimum numbers, then the minimum number will be swapped with the maximum number. Means the 7 here 7 was was greater than 2. Here these two elements were swapped, so here it will swap this element, and the temporary variable which was this, means this 2 was a temporary variable. This 2 temporary variable will be stored in a of I, means the current array, and this minimum variable which was there, it will swap with that, and the temporary variable memory will be assigned to the maximum number. With this temporary variable here is 2, then it will swapped with this number, then this temporary variable will occupy this memory address, and this maximum variable address will be stored in this value. Afterwards the list is sorted and list is printed. Here I am showing the output. Here it is asking us to enter the number, so I am entering 5 elements: 7, 5, 4, 2, and 8. So here is the sorted list. The 7 will check in the list that here is the list number 2, then this 2 will be swapped with 7. Afterwards the pointer will shift to the 5, and 5 will check all the elements, then it 5 is greater than 4, this 2 will be swapped, then the pointer will shift here, the 5 will come here, means here, and 5 will check these elements, then here will be 7 and 8, because these are already sorted, so no operation will be performed. So here is the output: 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Afterwards the insertion sort will come. So here insertion sort, what it will do, it will check the elements from the second position of the list, and it will uh, go behind and check to the zeroth element, and if this elements will be less, then it will be swapped. Means 5, this this is the zeroth position, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, means 5 elements are here there, and this the first pointer will go at 2. This will check that the pointer is here, means this 2 is less than 5, then it will be swapped, then the pointer will shift here, means here 5 will come, and it will check the next element. 4 is less than 5, then it will be swapped, then the pointer will shift here, then 5 is greater than less than 6, so here it will be remain there, then the pointer will shift to 1, is 1. It will check all the elements to the 0, so here it will check this. Afterwards 1 will check all the elements, here it is there, so it will swap till this first, and all the numbers will be shifted, and afterwards it will go to the last element, then it will check all the elements to the zeroth position, then it will check if whether the elements are sorted or not, means here it will be there, and here it will be swapped. Here I am showing the program. Here is the program of insertion sort. So here I have taken array of 10 elements. Here is the function of insertion sort. It will ask us to enter the elements of array. Afterwards it will ask the user to enter the numbers that is in given array. Here I have taken for loop to the nth position, means it will take only the number that is entered in the array. Afterwards in insertion sort, int I, j and temporary variable I have taken. Afterwards in for loop I is equal to 1, because it starts from 1, not from 0. In selection sort it starts from 0 here, but in insertion sort it starts from 1. Afterwards I is less than is equal to n minus 1, means the nth position which is there, it will go only till 0th position, not to minus 1, because we have to check only till 0 position, and it will increment by pointer, means I plus plus. Then the temporary variable a of I, it will check, means this number a of I, array of I, it will check here. Then j is equal to I minus 1, means this number, this I minus 1, it will check here. In this number it will go back and check if the element is lesser than this, then it will be swapped. So here in while loop j is greater than is equal to 0, means this j is there. This j will check only till 0 position, because from minus 1 nothing is there. So here j is greater than is equal to 0, and a of j is greater than temp. When this temp variable, this is the temporary variable, it will check, and if this is the maximum and this is the minimum, it will check all the less elements, and the swap operation will be performed here. Afterwards j a of j plus 1 is equal to a of j, means the increment position will go here, and this position will be incremented, and a of j will be swapped. Then j is equal to j minus 1, because it will go backwards. So here is j minus 1, and a of j plus 1 will be assigned to the temp, means this position, this a of j minus 1, it will go back, and this temporary variable will given this memory address. So here it will go there, and the sorted elements will be printed. So here I am showing the output. It is asking us to enter the elements of array. I am entering 5. Afterwards I am entering firstly greater number, then all lower numbers. Here it is showing us the output, so the pointer will be go here. Afterwards 4 is less than 9, then it will go here, 9 will come here. Afterwards 9 will be there. Afterwards no, this will be here, here will be 4, here will be 9. Afterwards 9 will check these elements. This is this is less than 9, so 6 will come here. Afterwards this 9 will be here. 9 will check these elements, then this 2 will go here. Afterwards this 9 will come here again, the 9 will check the lesser elements, then 3 will be here and the list will be sorted. So here is the final output: 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9. So here is the programs of selection sort and insertion sort. Thanks for watching.